Hello, this is Tom from TechStops here, and this is a quick unboxing of the Samson C01u USB microphone and stand kit. This bad boy came through today. Quite a big box due to all the contents in there. Just to open this one up. Ordered this one through from B&H in New York. It's about 110 bucks for US for the whole lot, plus the shipping costs. So if we have a look, that's just the receipt. Goes through all of this packaging. So that's the microphone itself, C01u from Samson. Quite a heavy box, about 7 pounds. This is the shock mount, which stops all vibrations. And this is the microphone stand itself. Just put that aside. So if we first go through the microphone stand. Basic stuff. Just a heavy base to hold the microphone, essentially, and a rod. Just goes in like so. Finish that off later. I've got the shock mount. And these are fantastic. These effectively stop all the vibration if you hit your desk. Essentially stops the vibration. I'll put that one in shortly. I'll put all these together and do a full review for the unboxing, or for the microphone, and we'll go through it in detail there. And this is the microphone itself. And that's it there, the Samson C01u USB studio condenser microphone. It's a USB microphone, quite a solid microphone made out of metal and mesh there. And just got a little pouch. Let's have a look. USB cord. All your warranty information. What else is in here? Comes also with a separate stand if you didn't purchase the stand. But with this you can't actually use the shock mount, so that's the benefit of that one. Just a connector and a CD. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the Samson C01u USB microphone and stand kit. It's about 102 or 105 US dollars from B&H in New York plus shipping. I shipped this to Australia, so it was about 60 bucks shipping, which is quite expensive. Although for around 160 bucks for the lot, it's much, including shipping, it's much cheaper than what you can pick up in Australia. So I'll do a full review of this in the coming week or two, and we can go from there. But until then, this is Tom from TechStops here. See you soon.